the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of
Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. Today is Monday. We'll talk about crypto, forex, commodities, and some stocks, the US market stocks. And yep, let's get into the stuff. Firstly, we will discuss the active trades. We got some new active trades like the BTC short, swing short. I started BTC swing short now, and after that we have a Euro USD short, and we cancel this limit order. We will discuss it afterwards, and then we will have the the update stuff like some charts, like we discussed ZDC tomorrow yesterday, and we discussed Meta, we discussed Ethereum and all that stuff, and after that we will discuss what's going to happen next. Hi, welcome to the stream. I do got to do in a few minutes. I try to look as long as bro. Hi, welcome to the stream. Let's start maybe. We are in fair trade. I have some invalidation level here around 0.22, like somewhere around here. I am waiting for it. If let's say I already talked about it in the yesterday stream. If we let's say move something like this and we claim this level, then I will try to close this one. But right now seems like that we are facing some rejection over this level. Let me mark some points here, like this level. So we have some level at around 0.208 to like 0.213. So yep, this is the stuff here, and that's it for fact. And I'm not changing anything, as we have already trimmed it 835% of profits. And after that we have BTC, and if you know, I have shared this chart. I was expecting we have swept this level here, but we got a bounce from 78 point, no, not 78, it's 75.8 thousand dollars, something like that. And we formed a hammer on daily. Still daily have some hours in the closing, like let me see if we can add the countdown here. Yep, so in 10 hour 35 minutes we have daily closing, and if we close like this, like we form a hammer like this, like exactly like this, then we are going to like dump, and in my opinion we will dump towards $58,900. And after that we have hype. I have hype ongoing. My entry is 42.89, and we touched around 42.60 $42.57 on hype, and it's still active on my side. After that we have euro. We got a straight TP1 after we got some news on Iran side that they have struck the US warship, which was coming for like opening the Strait of Hormuz. And yep, So we got like 0.24% booked in this one, and our SL is now at this entry one. And after that we cancel this one, just because if you look at this, like around here, like at this step, we don't have any volume, but after that volume came in, and that is the reason I longed it BTC around 78.5k, and we took some profits around $80,000, and after that our long was closed. So yep, this trade is invalid right now, and yep, so I will maybe delete this. So we have some free charts here. Netflix same, Nvidia same, and Aster is same. Aster we actually we closed Aster around entry like around I got -2%, but still it closed. What training indicator you use for volume? It's the simple volume indicator, bro. Like the volume. If you type volume here, the first indicator that comes from the technicals, it's the volume. Hi brother, welcome to stream. Fat have nice liquidity on have liquid. Yep, Fat have some nice liquidity. In my opinion, as you can see, the volume is dropping. We can have a retest of like this level 0.22, and then we can start dumping. But still, depends how we do. I wait for that, and yep, we wait for it. We have to wait for it. I still think like we can form a double top here, a double top, or at least like EQH, something like that. And I got some charts suited on live trade. Let me see if my charts got some alert. Not this one. It was this maybe. Just let me grab my mobile. If you have any other questions, you can ask. In the meantime, let me just open that chart. Yep, it was BTC. So I will open it here, or maybe around here. It was on 30 minutes, or maybe I will not this chart. I will draw in maybe this one. Not this one. Chart P. Yo, Cryptex. It can be a good trade. The short one, yep. The short one can be a good trade. Is Nvidia still a limit order? Yep, it's still a limit order. Like this is still a limit order. Bro, yep, we have some chances on Ethereum. Like we can dump. I'm just giving the update here on Ethereum. Like we can dump just because we have some sort of like downtrend. This, let's say this is the downtrend, and until unless we claim this level, like claim $2,400 around here, and we move like this, we can dump. And if you look at like higher time frame, then we got some sort of resistance here around $2,400 to $2,450, something like that. And until unless again we break this level, I'm bearish. Again, moving towards BTC as I want to scalp this level. This is the same stuff like I traded yesterday, so I'm going to look at scalp here. I will remove the volume, and my level is around this candle, like this candle. So I will long it around here. SL will be around the lows, these lows, yep, around these lows, and target would be $81,000, something like that. Maybe we'll choose this. Yep, these lows. These are the best. So these lows and $81,000 maybe. Yep, something like that. So 2 hour trade here. If you get a better entry, then it's a 3 hour trade. But yeah. Today chat is fast. I have to like answer. Hey bro, what are your thoughts on market open in a few minutes? In my opinion, we'll give a spike down and then we may correct like go up. Hello. Then have a look at gold. I will. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and then if it is bump to 83 hour targets for hype. Not 50, but maybe around mid 40s, like somewhere around here, like this red box. We can't touch this red box, something like this. Why I am saying that, I will justify it. Like if you look at hype BTC, this stuff, and on 3D time frame, if you look at this was our uptrend, like uptrend. We got a uptrend. Our uptrend is now broken from this level, and you actually look at like this. So now this is our new resistance here. Like this level is resistance here. So I'm not expecting like we do towards $50, but yeah, 45, 47, maybe something like that. So something like this. I would not miss such a point. Yep, above 44 or above 43 is a must short on hype right now, until unless something changes. Can you luck on it or look on it? You are short from 420, somewhere around here. So you are in profits, but you must like you should have some profits here on this channel. But still, we have our C7 that is working, and in my opinion, your shot is okay. It's not the best, not the worst, but still okay. Yep. So I'm placing some limit orders around here. Let me just $78,800 first limit order. Second would be somewhere around here, $78,400. Let's round it off, like 400. So yep, this is the trade. I have placed some orders, and let me update in the group also. It's a scalp trade, not a swing trade. So I might close early, like around I may close it around here, or actually at the top. Depends. Midpoint, it's a risky trade, and it's a short. Not it's a long with a 50s leverage. Enter 178.8k, 78.4k. It up, and then I will paste it up. Yes, that's it. So yeah, I have said I don't like ZDC is kind of risky too much. Yep, it's kind of volatile. I think we are looking for another leg up on ZDC, like something towards like 460, and then maybe something like that. But depends how BTC does. I will place my limits here at 78.8k. R for BTC rate is 3 to 1. Like it's around something around like 3 to 1 from both entries, and from here is 4. Yep. So yeah, it's okay. Like it's the best R, I would say. And on forex side, we have some movements. No, so Ethereum is just consolidating. No, not the Ethereum. Sorry, it's Euro is consolidating here. We got TP1. Let me see if we have some other pair like pound. Pound. Let me just open pound here. Find TP almost at 80. No, not on this one. I'll find TP around 81 rate, not at 3k. I have opened. Okay, so I have opened on crypto. Let's see on Rwanda. This was the scalp I missed on Thursday just because I was busy. I have some breakout stuff, but I don't know why I missed it, and it was like crazy. And now I have some levels here. Like this is a level here, and yep. So this is a level. Like if we break on the lower side, we wait for some sideways movement, and then we short. On the upper side, we wait for this, and we long around first TP around here, second TP around here. So yep. Let me see just one thing. Just a moment. Sorry, there was some wind with some rain. So yeah, a little bit storm here. Hmm. Looks like BTC will go up without us. Come on. We have a $200 gap here. There's certainly room for short of 100 TP. On this one, yep. If we print R3 divergence, like on let's say 1 hour time frame, we move something like this. Let's say we move towards here and we fill the final TP. Let's say I'm just assuming, and on the so the R price would be something like this, and let's say the R side would be something like this. So yep, there is a possibility to short. You can actually short it here, and maybe we have missed the limit on BTC. This longer mean like my swing is short isn't active. My swing short is still ongoing, and I have placed some limit orders, like the sales order. Like you can place, let's say first order $80,500. Then you can place second order 80.8K. Then you can place at $81,000. So this is how you scale it up. And I have scaled order from $80,000 to $82,000, and second order at $84,000. So something like that. I would actually enter at CMP here, or wait, let's wait. It's coming to us as $60 gap. Once the short would be like a nice entry. Yep, I am entering at CMP at this price, and yep, it's 78,854, and I have entered at CMP with my 1% of the portfolio. 78, 8. Let me just publish it. And then we have third, fourth, and yeah. So I'm in actually. My average entry is around 78,877. And yep. Is there any noise in the mic? If yes, you have like you have to like or what do you say? Like cooperate for a minute just because it's windy, too much windy. And yours is pumping back up. Okay, so no regrets on that one. But still we have entered on this one on this week, and let me enter on my this account. Market. We'll go with like one. 77, 77, 7. So yeah, I mean, if you have any other charts, you can actually ask for it. I got the request for gold. I'm sorry I missed that one earlier. We got a request for gold, and we actually discussed gold yesterday, and we are moving in that way. If you actually remember from yesterday's stream, we were sitting around here maybe, or maybe around here, somewhere around here maybe. It was Sunday. Yep. So we were sitting around here, and I said we will go for this. We should sweep this level. We have already formed EQL, like equal lows around this level, but still I would say wait for it, or like we fill the wick and we sweep this level, then you can actually long it around towards the TP. 80 to 81K first TP, 50 TP. Yeah, but it's 50-50. Like I would trim at 80K first TP and 81K second TP. So it's 50-50 actually. Like first TP at here and second TP at 81. Something like that. I don't know 35-65 or 40-60 or 70-30 or 80-20 most of the time, but if I go, I announce it like trim 25%, trim 50%, or trim 40%, whatever the stuff is. But right now it's 50-50. I am moving in profit side now. And yep, there's the stuff here. Let me do it here also. Uh, by the way, we have stream for 22 minutes. If we don't get a forest trade, maybe I'll end the stream around 30 minutes. So we have like around 8 minutes. But let's say if we get the forest trade, then I will keep it up. Like here, I will continue. Uh, I'm gonna go with like one maybe. So yeah, we don't have any sort of news yet from the Iran side and the US side. Right, initial news. South Korea. So yeah, we don't have any sort of news yet. We need some confirmation, like if they actually struck the warship, then if we got some damage, then we will like go lower on the SP and the stock markets. But if we didn't got any damage and it was some sort of false news or fake news or some sort of rumors, then we will like move toward the upper side. So yeah, news depends how we do. And yeah, maybe it's 25 minutes in the stream. Maybe I'll end the stream here. We don't have anything else to discuss maybe. And if I data like a forested around New York Open, like New York are already open, but if we got some volume and we got some news on or forest or stuff, then I will share it up. In distribution phase or of AMD for BTC, like on what time frame, bro? On what time frame? If you are just saying on 15 minutes time frame, then yep, seems like we can monitor it further. This one, if you know like how much time is taking to like take for the SLOTP, then we can like, but still on 15-minute time frame. So you are like talking about this stuff, like something like this, like you are saying like we are going to this side. It somehow makes sense, somehow not, just because I wouldn't count it up. Why? Just because this was weekend. Like this was weekend, this was Monday, and this is now New York Open. If it was something like this, let's say this was New York Open, this was after that, and this was on Tuesday, then I would count it up. But right now I wouldn't. And after that we have gold. I actually already analyzed gold here. I already said like we sweep this level, then we go to the upper side, something like that. And we already have some RSA form in here. Just we need is the price action to draw and sweep this level around $45.20 or $45.16. Any update on Sol? I will share. This is the level. I was already watching this chart on the yesterday night, and I said if we hold this POC, you can long, and I actually longed it, scalped it, just because of live stream, and I gained some like around it was the TP around I closed it around here, so 1.5%, and after that we saw a dump. From there, you should have built a short also. I said if you sweep this level, you can build a short here, but still depends if you have shorted. But right now, let's say if you haven't done anything, then the new analysis are you can like actually long it up once we sweep this level. Like we do something like this, you long here after we reclaim the POC, and your TP is above around this level or around this level, and yep, you can look for short around this level, like around $85.80 sweep of this level. So yeah, that's the stuff. This is for scalping. But let's say if we go and we don't claim this POC and we see some rejection here, you can long it, you can short it up with SL around here or around here. What depends on the highs. What what's the high here? I have pretty sure from 79 level. You can actually keep it open, maybe. If you wanna move it to swing, if your liquidation is okay. Otherwise you can like close it up, depends on you. So we have swept the level here. We have got the perfect entry. So yep, I will hold it up. I'm not closing this entry like this long. In my opinion, we have almost filled 25% of the wick, sweep this previous candle, and now we are set to go to the upper side. So yep, we are 28 minutes in the stream. 1 to 2 minutes more to go, and yep. Depends on you. If you keep asking question, we can continue the stream. I actually wasn't planning the stream today, but somehow I did. Just because yesterday I said I will stream today. And hence we got this. What about the liquidity under us? Liquidity is something like, let's say liquidity is present here. Let's say I'm just assuming. Let's say liquidity is here. It doesn't mean like we have to go and book this level and then we go up or whatever the stuff is. Liquidity is present, but once we once we move in this range, once we fulfill this stuff, then we will move to the lower side. And now everyone is shorting. Let's say, as I said earlier in around the night's live stream, not a live stream, night long trade. I said like people are longing somewhere around here, not somewhere around here. We longed at this level. Yep. So we at this level we longed, and I said people are shorting, and you can see after that we saw a big move toward $80,500. So same level here, people are shorting just because of Iran news, and I expect we form a double top or like RC divergence some here, so we can short afterwards. So yep. In general outlook on BTC. On long term, I am bearish. On scalp time frame, I am bullish. On mid time frame, I am just watching. It will sweep 81K and go down. Yep, something like that. 81J or 80.58, something like that. So that's why I have placed a TP here. So at least if we form a double top, so we don't miss out our TP. So yep, I'm ending the stream here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining. I will be live back again tomorrow maybe. And yep, thanks for watching.